Hello and good morning everyone. This is Pavni from 12D. I am here for the post of Head Girl APS Pathankot. Being a head girl is not an easy job. It requires your whole dedication and a mind full of awareness. A highly responsible person, and that too a profound one, is its demand. Talking about myself, I have an engaging and positive attitude which makes it easy to amalgamate with the students and teachers. Also, I strongly believe in the school's regime of discipline, hard work, and leadership. Every time I'm given a portfolio, I perform my duties with the same enthusiasm and excitement and give my best to it. It's been an amazing journey from being the discipline in charge to the vice head girl. This journey has taught me several lessons and has helped me in enhancing my personality. I find myself approachable and I deal with each and every issue with sincerity and honesty. I believe that even the tiniest one should be heard, as everybody is equal and should be acknowledged. Also, I really want you all to discover your inherent talents and encourage them even for the smallest thing you do. Head girl is not a position to publicly parade about, but an action and an example. So, I would like to say that, or I pledge that, I would do my work as head girl wholeheartedly with sincerity and my utmost hard work. So, in the end, I would just say that I will provide you chances instead of excuses. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shibi Singh of Class 12B, Army Public School, Pathankot, and today I am here as a nominee for the post of Head Girl. Talking about academics and extracurricular activities, I have secured 89% in my 10 boards and 74% in Class 11. I have maintained a good attendance and has been actively participating in sports and extracurricular activities. I try to set a good example by having a good and positive attitude and respecting everyone. A problem shared is a problem solved. That is something I believe in. So you can always share your problem regarding school and we'll try to solve it together as one. Not taking much of your time, I'd like to conclude that if you think I'm capable of being a head girl, do vote for me. I'll try my best to live up to your expectations. Thank you.
If your actions inspire others to learn more, to dream more, or to become more, then you are a good leader. A very warm good morning to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Ramanpreet from Class 12 Sciences, asking for your vote and support for the post of school head girl. I am here to become a good leader and a better student, and I believe I can be because I am a good listener and a bosom friend. I am work dedicated, trustworthy, responsible, detail oriented, polished public speaker, and very creative. Since the role of a school head girl is to represent the school, and that I did in year 2018, which was my board class, I was in school toppers list. I will listen all your ideas and concerns and bring them up to discussions. I will deliver speeches, readings at event. I will work with my council and make some fruitful difference by introducing sports, punctuality, politeness, and appropriate dress to school students. Army Public School Pathankot is already a wonderful institution, but we can make it even better to reside by providing a helping hand to each other and creating memories. Memories that you can be proud of this year and the coming years. I think I will prove that I will fit in this post beautifully and can be a great addition to our APS team. If given a chance, I will take pledge to take up this responsibility wholeheartedly and I am take with my academics. Remember, I will listen and I will perform. At last, I promise you all that the breaths I take, I will use them to take all your breaths away. I will be very humbled to receive this post. Therefore, vote for me as I always be there for your service. Thank you.